it because these teeth of razor sharp metal is actually a 16th inch, no, 1/8 inch trowel. And you simply just comb it in one direction and let the air escape when you smush it in there. That's a secret. I didn't let nobody else know that, but that's a trade secret. Because you see some people that are doing circles in different directions. Well, sorry to say, but when you squeeze your tile in, you trap those air bubbles in a
Bubble.
A bubble, a dam, basically. So you want to just comb it out in one direction. So after you do smush it in, the air has someplace to go, and you have 100% coverage. In the tile trade, 85% coverage is acceptable. That's by the National Council of Tile of North America. But here with Allied Resources, I believe in 100% coverage. Smack it in, put it down, and then you take your, well actually, let's beat it with the block. This is an old school beating block. Secure that we have 100% block. After that, take our nail gun, 16 gauge, pinch it out with whack. Now we know that floor's not going anywhere. Next step I take is I'll need the riser, the piece. Yes, sir. Oh, we must remove this base because it is a hindrance now. Let me see that pry bar, sir, right in front of you. And lovely assistant. No, the pry bar.
You want that first?
I already cut it though.
Oh, it's already cut?
Yeah.
Okay.
My lovely assistant,
No.
Jay.
There you go.
Jay.
There you go.
Yeah. Now Jay, he's an apprentice. He's been only doing this witchcraft for the past 3 years. He's a good warlock. So before the film, I cut the top of the base. You always want to do that so you don't do this. I kind of missed a little bit of this, so some of the paint came off. So hopefully the baseboard that I pick out, I'm going to go a little bit taller just to cover any issues with paint from the detaching of the baseboard.
That's why I want to cut the sill of the caulking real good.
Exactly. Thank you, Jay. In other words, you see, this is why it's important, you know, why a baseboard is important. You see that gap right there? That's how they leave room for bugs to crawl in your house. Good thing it was caulked, except for it wasn't caulked at the bottom, but there was carpet there, so who knows, maybe one day bugs could have gone through here, but not today. Anyway, back to what I was doing. Pry bar, here we go. Take the other part of the base off. Give it a little wiggle. Little pry there. Whoop. I might as well. What I did cut though is this part. I did not cut. hook that the catch that's gonna run. Put a little bit of caulking and the heat on that, and there's no difference. Sure is hot in here. And today was a rainy day, it's kind of muggy down. There you go, Jay. Take these away. Or just set them aside right there. And back to what I was doing, which was.
But those have nails on them, so we're gonna shoot
Flip
them
those
up
up.
right now.
So if you notice, I just tap in there. Usually I would have a square here, do all that, but the price is right, so this is all good for the eyeball square. It's good. Then you take your fancy dandy nail gun and you nail it to the head right there. Let's see, I did a boo-boo on that one. I should have hit it here first to pop out the top because we've got a little bit of lippage here, but no big deal. I'll pop that out. I'll not pop it out, but just the way it's on. I'll just put a little bit extra magic in there. And no one is the wiser. Okay, next we need to go make our riser cut. And I'm getting a good measurement of 8.5. 8.5 short and 8.5. So we're gonna go 8 and 5/16. No, 8 3/8. Okay, 8 3/8. So we go to the handy dandy. Well, actually, let me see a stair nosing. Oh, we don't have one cut yet either, do we? No, that was no good. No, we're out of stock. So right now we're gonna make some cuts. That's a good thing we are here. 30. Okay, 36 and 7/8. Same thing, 36 and 7/8. That is 9 and 3/4. 9 and 5/8. 9 and 5/8. Okay. So go down to the garage.